Hi guys, welcome to Tutors Funny channel. In our last class we saw how to add the records into the database. In this class I am going to teach how to print the bill receipt. So let's go to the project, add Windows form. I am going to add another Windows form, name is print. Here we give the name as print. Click add. The form should be created successfully. After that, what I am going to do is here I am going to give the size, print size. So right click properties. Here default size is this. The size property I am going to give as this is the print size I am going to give 2, 422. Right, this is the size I am going to give. Now let's close the one. Now here right click, after that properties. I'm going to here go to the toolbox. After that I'm going to get the tool which is a panel. I'm going to get the panel, this one, drag on the form here. Let's set like this. Right, here click on the panel. Let me change the color as a background color as a white. Right, that's it. After that select the form and border style, let me change it as a none. Right, change it as a none. This is the required thing you have to write. After that I am going to get the toolbox, drag the labels. First I am going to get the label 2, 3, 4, 5 labels we can get here. Drag on the form. First one you have to write like here you have to put here at the header properties. This one you have to change the font as this. Select the font, select the size as 11 for the heading. So here we have to change it as this one is this font we select as a heading, so 11. If you like you can put as a border. Right, it's color look like this. Now what I'm going to do is here I'm going to change the text as repair management something. Right, you can write like this, repair management. You can write like this. Right, simply you can write repair management. Right, simple. Right, after that what I'm going to do is here this one I'm going to add the address. You can write some address. Okay, sample address you can write something like that address. Okay, you can write the address here, your shop address or anything else you can write like this. After that here I'm going to write the bill payments. Right, here first I'm going to write the repair number here, repair ID here. So here right click, here we have to go to the text, we have to write as a repair ID, repair number or something like that. You have to write like first one, this one. We have to change the text type as this one as a, have to put the same thing, same 8. Right, very professional. Second one should be phone number. Third one should be model, device model. After that we have this one we have to change it as a this one 8. This one also you have to change there, same font. Right, after that we need another 4 labels. Right, hit alignment. Right, now here this one we have to change it as a font, we have to change it as this. This one should be, we have to change the text as repair fee. Repair fee. This one should be subtotal. This one paid. This one should be balance. Right. This is stuff we have to write. Okay. Now here we have to change the fonts. Now we need a text box for, another label for equal here, display the data. So here we need 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So 1 2 3 7. Right. Now here we have to write like this, display the data for print. That's it. Right. Simply have to put like this. Okay. Finally we have to design another one thing is, here we have to put two labels. You must arrange them with the arrow key on the keyboard like this. So very easy stuff. Instead of doing as a mouse, we have to reduce the spaces. Right. Perfect. Now here what I'm going to do is, here this one we have to put as here some, go here, we have to write the equal sign like this. Perfect. Equal. Right. Like this. Here we have to write the things as thank you, come again. Right, that's it. Center key, and you have to change it as this one as a big bold. Simply you have to write like this. Perfect. This one we have to change this. I didn't change the font. Italic we have to put size 9. So you will be able to add the address here. Right. Now this is the simple bill I have created successfully. Now let me pass the data into this print. So let me see how to pass the data. Here double click on the form here. If you double click on this one, it goes to the panel. So here this is a panel, this is a form. You double click on this. Otherwise easily you can go right click, view code. You will be able to go to the code. It goes to form load. Now what I'm going to do is, here after the form load, here this one close bracket, I'm going to write here as PROP full. If you write and press enter key on your keyboard and tab key, press tab key, here you write like this. This is how you can pass the value to one form to another. Okay, so how to write it? PROP full. Here it's coming here. Press enter key. After that press tab key on your keyboard. It's automatically generate like this. Okay, this is how you can set the value and set and get the value one form to another form. So that we have to write like this. Now here first what I'm going to do is, here we have to write like this, not an integer. We have to write a string. Right, sorry, not this. It's string repair ID. Repair ID. Here you have to write as a repair ID. you have to write like this, repair ID, capital letter here. Here we have to same ID, we have to get and set. That's the thing we have to do, right? That's the thing we have to do. What's there? That it's not error here. Let me build and see the solution. No, its error has gone. No, now its error has gone. If you get what is the error hint? Right, the error is here. Here I change the data type as a string. The same data type you have to change here. That's why it show the error show before. The error show before. Right, now the error should be gone. If you rebuild the solution, now the error has been gone. Now you can check here, there will be no error. If you double click on this, here error has been gone. Right, successfully. Now what I'm going to do is, I have to pass the one value to values one form to another. This is the values I'm going to pass this. What is the ID here? When you click print bill, this ID goes to the print form. Okay, what is the ID or this ID? Okay, so what I'm going to do is here, here the print bill, double click on this one. This is the record edit. Here what I'm going to do is here, you have to do another additional things here. Press enter key. Here we have to write what I'm going to write is here. You have to write what is the form you have to visit. Print form you have to visit. After add the record for print, and we have to create the object as pr equal new print. Here pr dot, we have to set the value into this ID. So this same ID you have to write here. So here you no need to write. Press dot re. If you write the r repair, if you write like this, here it's coming here. So equal into, you have to pass into which text box value will be passing to print page. This value, this text box value. So what is the name of this text box? This text box name is txt repair ID. So you have to write like this, txt repair ID. Easily get it, this one dot text. That's the thing you have to do. Very simple, right? After that you have to pr dot show. It show on the your next page, your print page. What is the value reside on this text box? It's passing to the passing to this variable. It's go to the next form print and set. It's get here and it's set here. That's the thing it does. Okay, let's check whether it's how it's working. So what I'm going to do is here on the print load, when the form is loaded, that particular ID will be loaded. So here what I'm going to see here we have to write the label name, which label the repair number should be displayed here. So what is the label 10? Okay, you keep in the this one, label 10, table 10 dot text. You have to pass the value here, this one. Which one? Repair ID. So this repair ID you have to set here. That's the thing we have to do, right? That's the only thing you have to do. Get and set. You have to write like this here. This is a variable you have to initialize here. Here what is the value coming on this page? It is get and set here. You have to put give the which text box it should display. If you give here, it is assigned to the label this, it will be displayed. Okay, let's check whether it's working fine or not. Okay, we have to click start. Second customer, we have to put it Ravi, Kishan, model something. So we have to pattern red, phone number something like this, price, assign. Right, now here we have to print the bill, record edit, you can see here this number should be, it's coming here. Okay, now you got the number here it's easily get the number here, right? This is how you can pass the value into one form to another, right? Success. Right, now what I'm going to do is here, after that we have to write another function here. Private void get id write is string this repair id we have to call here, this same repair id here. What's the value coming here? This value is in this variable. So here what I'm going to do is here you have to write the string, this is string string, right? Here what I'm going to do is here I'm going to write the string SQL query. I'm going to write the SQL query. So here SQL equal, you have to write the SQL query, select all from what is the table name, records. Here we have to give the SQL connection. So we already wrote in the our form 1 the same connection. We copy, Control C to copy, Control V to paste here. After the initialization here you have to Control V to paste here, right? Once you write here, you show the error. If you paste it here, what is the error is you have to import the namespace. So you have to write the namespace above system.data.sql client. This is the namespace you should write. Then the error go away. Right, now here records where repair id. So repair id it's correct or spelling? So this one. If you have any doubt, you Control C to copy this one, Control V to paste here. Right, equal single quotation, double quotation, single quotation. Here you have to write to plus sign. Here you have to pass this variable, right? This pass it variable, that's it. Right, what is the value coming from that page, form 1 page? It's coming here, right? Coming and set it into here, this query. What is the query? Okay, so select all from records where repair id, which repair id coming here, this particular row will be executed. That's the thing I wrote here. After that you have to write a SQL command cmd equal new SQL command SQL data reader or read conduct open the connection. We have to write like this here, equal cmd execute reader. This one you have to call this one. That's it. Here you have write while d, here you have write while dr read, this one read dot read. You have to write like this. You have to the relevant records should be display on the labels. Which labels? These labels. So here this label, so we have to write this label 1, label 12, 13. You have to write until 16 from 11 to, right? So here label 11, first one should be label 11, 1 dot text equal dread, this one dot, sorry, here we have to assign the column name here. This one should be first one should be, what is the name of here? phone number is column number 0. It's starting from database column starting from 0 position. 0 position mean this, 1 mean this custom name, 2 mean this phone number. So phone number is important. So here you have to write as a 2. Dot toString method. Right, successfully wrote. After that we have to copy the same thing. Right, this one should be 12. 12 mean which one? Model mean this one model mean 2 3 4 3, this one 4, 3, this one for 4. Right, SN number mean 4. After that we have to write this one, repair fee and subtotal, this one. So this one should be here, position of 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 position, this 10 12 13 14 10 11 12 13. So here 10 11 12, this one. So here we have to 14 15 16. I have one mistake. What is the mistake? Repair ID, subtotal, balance. 4 here, 4 things are there. Here I put one extra things. Here 3 things. What is extra? 2. Right. Here 4. 4 mean one thing we have to write. Here 10th. So sorry. This position should be 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So here we have to write 16 position, this one, 13 position, this. Right, now let's see the position. This one should be the 13th position. Balance 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13. This 12, this one 11 10. It's okay with that. 10 11 12 13. Okay, now let's check whether it's working or not. After that we have to close the connection. Con dot close, we have to write the close the connection. We have to close the connection. Now let's check whether it's working fine or not. These things we have to Control C to copy. When the form is loaded, this function should be loaded. So here we have to write it here. So we don't need a string, we have to remove them. The string we have to write. Okay, let's see, check whether it's working fine or not. Customer name, something like that we have to write like this, and something. Model number, pattern we have to write back pattern, pending, something. Phone number we have to write. Price we have to 6,000. Right, signed to some person name, bill record. Here all the things are correctly displayed here. Here it's already all the things are successfully passing here. Okay, now we have to print the bill. That's the only thing we have to do. Right, now here go to the toolbox. I'm going to get the tool, this one, print document. You select this one and drag on your phone. It's come here. Right, these are things. So what I'm going to do is here, this is the property. You double click on this one, it goes here. You double click on this tool, it goes to the coding view, look like this. This is the event, print document, print page. Here you have to set the size and everything. This should be must. So first you have to write bitmap bm object you have to write as bm new bitmap this dot panel 1 dot width comma this dot panel 1 dot height. Let's see. After that we have to write panel 1 dot draw to bitmap. Here we have to write bm comma new rectangle, right, 0 comma 0 position comma this dot panel 1 dot width comma this height. You have to write like this. Okay, after that we have to write G graphics draw image you have to set this one bm 0 comma 0. After that page setup dialog ps object here create as ps new page setup, right, that's the thing you have to write. Now here we have to write a ps dot document equal print1. Print1 means this one, the name of this one print1. Here what's the name? This one print document 1. That's the thing we have to give here, right? This is the print this is the print document, we have to give this one, right? This setting you have to give, okay, so that it is successfully print, right? After that what I'm going to do is here the simple here we have to go to the form load, the form load event. We have to go to the form load. When the form is loaded this one should be printed, so go to the form load. So where's the form load? Here, this form load, right. Here what I'm going to do is here we have to call the print document dot print. That's the thing we have to write. That's the only thing you have to write. The document has been printed. So let's check whether it's working. Let's click start and check whether it's working fine or not. Now here I'm going to enter the name here. I'm going to enter the name as Sajeev, model number something, to add that SN number, pattern let's add as some red or something else. We have to add this model number like this, right. Now here status painting. Now here phone number we enter like this. Repair price we have to give as 10,000, paid 2,000. We have to pay outstanding 8,000. We have to assign here as Nimal, right. Now here delivery date we have to add 3 days. If you click bill, print bill, if you click this button, record at the same time here it's printing record. This is your sample of print form. Now its form has been printing. I haven't connect the printer yet. If I connect the printer, it should be printing the same format. Bill has been printed successfully. This is how we can print the bill. I hope you guys you understood so far. If you have any doubt on this, you can ask me anytime. In my next tutorial I am going to teach the next lesson. Thank you for watching. If you like my channel, please subscribe me, like me. Thank you for watching.